Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your Mac is running a supported macOS version and you have a Google account with sufficient drive space. Once confirmed, download Google Drive for Desktop and open the installer. Double-click the DMG and follow prompts. You will be asked to sign in with the Google account you want in Finder. Make sure to grant any system permissions requested. These let Drive integrate with Finder. This first setup gets the app installed and ready to connect your cloud files. Once done signing in, you choose how Drive appears in Finder, stream files or mirror files. You pick stream to save local disk space by accessing cloud files on demand, or mirror to keep local copies for offline use. Choose based on your storage needs. Next, grant Drive permissions in System Preferences, Files and Folders, and full disk access if prompted, so Finder can show Drive items. Make sure notifications and login on startup are set if you want continuous sync. These choices define performance and accessibility. To complete, open Finder and look under Locations for Google Drive. You should see My Drive and any shared drives. Adjust drive preferences, select folders to sync, set bandwidth limits, and enable offline access where needed. If Finder does not show Drive, quit and relaunch the Drive app, or sign out and sign back in to reauthorize permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: if files fail to appear, check System Preferences privacy settings and restart the Mac after granting permissions. That usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.